Hi everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm super excited to partner with Clover to bring you this super charming poppy-inspired wreath using Clover's flower frill template. So this wreath was so simple to make. I used Clover's flower frill template to make these charming red poppies. If you want to see the very simple way to make your own, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today. I hope you feel inspired to start playing with some of Clover's amazing products. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.